Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Extra Subject. In my previous videos, I explained about noun and pronoun. Third in parts of speech is verb. Verb is a word indicating an action, occurrence, or state of being. It is an essential part of a sentence. Verbs can be used to describe physical action such as run, write, swim, or mental action such as think, believe, or imagine. Verb can be used to show the time when an action occurs, such as present tense, example, I walk, past tense, example, I walked, or future tense, example, I will walk. Additionally, verbs can be used to indicate subject's mood or attitude, such as hope, wish, or desire. A separate video will be made focusing on tenses. Overall, verbs play a vital role in communicating ideas and actions on language. Almost every sentence requires a verb. It is essential for constructing sentence and expressing a variety of meanings. That's all in this video. Please support my channel by like, share and subscribe.